If you're seeing a Base44 network error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to check whether the problem is on Base44's side or on your browser. This is a simple step-by-step fix you can try in just a few minutes. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. First, go to the official Base44 status page and check whether the service is down. If Base44 is having an outage, the issue is likely not on your device, and the best thing to do is wait until service is restored. If the status page shows everything is working normally, then the next step is to clear your browser cookies and cache. On Windows and in most browsers, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. That opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. From there, make sure cookies and cached files are selected, then clear them. This can fix corrupted data that may be causing the network error. After that, try refreshing Base44 and see if it loads correctly. If the error is still there, the next thing to try is turning off your browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers, can interfere with websites and cause network issues. Disable your extensions one by one, then reload Base44 and check if the error is gone. If it starts working after turning off an extension, you found the cause. Once you finish testing, you can turn the extensions back on if they were not the problem. Those are the main steps to fix the Base44 network error. Check the official status page, clear cookies and cache, and turn off extensions. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more fast fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.